Hey, good morning. We are on day 6. Yes, we're almost finished the challenge, the Make Me Over Beautiful challenge. So I hope you are joining. You're going to like this one. It's the Scalp Detox. And you can use it on your scalp and your hair. So every now and then, maybe once or twice a year, this is something that everyone should do. It removes sloughs off the dead skin cells that collect on your scalp and residue. If you find that you are having dull, dry hair and it's just not working whenever you do a hairstyle and it falls limp, or it's just lost its shine and gloss, then this is something that you should consider. Also, if you're finding that you're having a lot of breakouts in your face, you have to remember that a lot of that is filtering in from your scalp. So you may want to consider doing a scalp detox. So I hope you liked the video. Please let me know if you're joining the challenge. Thank you. Alright, so I'm mainly just trying to get it in your scalp more than anything. The price of my war is not a price that they're willing. Alright, so here are some of the benefits of the scalp, the detox scalp. The benefits are that it makes the hair shinier, it makes the hair softer, it gives it will give you added moisture, because when you slough off, any residue or anything, then the moisture that you do put in, or the moisture that comes from the scalp, then it can flourish. It can, do what it's supposed to do. It reduces breakage and damaged hair. You have less frizz. You have a healthier scalp, and your hair is stronger, and it rejuvenates dull, dry hair. So as you saw, you apply it to the scalp, you spread it over the hair, from the root to the tip of the hair. And so that's where it's gonna remove any residue and anything that's on the scalp that hasn't been able to be removed with shampoo. And then you rinse, and then you moisturize with, a hair oil. So this is something that I like to do, and that was my daughter in the video. I have her do it, once or twice a year, because you do get a buildup, especially if you're using heavy products like gel, hairspray, different waxes. It's just inevitable that you will have a buildup, and some people more than others. My daughter is one where I noticed her scalp was flaking, and so this is where I recommended the scalp detox. And she did say immediately after, yes, my scalp feels good and my hair is actually softer. So the natural curls will just, pop right on out, because you don't have anything weighing down your hair, and you keep it moisturized thereafter so you don't, get any dryness. So